Hello, my name is Michael Kuntz with Luxfer GTM Technologies, and today I'm here to show you the ZeroSet Generation 3. There's a lot of reasons you should have the ZeroSet. ZeroSet can provide you, probably first and foremost, no emissions. The ZeroSet has a high storage capacity. This system stores approximately 17 kilograms of hydrogen, capable of running the ZeroSet for up to 5.5 days, 24/7. The ZeroSet also features both DC power and AC power. Hydrogen fuel cells have a 98% reliability factor based on how they're being used currently with cell sites across the country. The other nice thing about a ZeroSet, there's no maintenance. There are no moving parts in a ZeroSet unit or a fuel cell unit. So unlike traditional generators, which have lots of moving parts, these do not. The other nice thing, the ZeroSet, what you're hearing is as loud as it's going to get. It's quiet. The ZeroSet also conserves power. So when it senses that there's not a need to tap off the internal battery system, it will shut itself down. It will not operate until it sees a drain on those batteries. So it allows it to get these long run times as a result. The Generation 3 consists of 6 composite cylinders, all with a pressure of 5,000 psig. Each are fitted with ball valves, which allow for easy opening and closing of the system. The ZeroSet was designed to be very easy for a user to turn on and off and to put into use. First, turn the system on. Secondly, turn the power switch on, the fuel cell. The fuel cell will go through a series of self-checks before it actually begins running, and that will take about 15 to 20 seconds. Once the system is on, the fuel cell is running, it can be closed up and locked, and now you can walk away. The system will monitor itself. It will control its on-off regulation. This system will run for about 5.5 days, 24/7, in its current mode as you see it. The other side of the ZeroSet, it also has a roll-up door, which shows the 6 cylinders that store the hydrogen. Each cylinder is 5,000 psig rated pressure. That pressure allows us to fill these units at any of the many hydrogen refueling stations across the state of California and in New York. Safety was one of our greatest concerns when building the ZeroSet. All the cylinders have pressure and thermal relief devices, so in the event of a fire, they safely release the gas without any implosions or any incidents. In the back, we have the inverter. This converts the DC power to AC power. And we have a remote relay. And in the back, you can see we also have the fuel cell. We have space at the very top of the ZeroSet to allow for an optional 5 kW system to be installed to make the ZeroSet a full 10 kW generation system. So the ZeroSet is meant to be towed by just about any vehicle with a trailer hitch. It has a 2-inch ball hitch. The whole frame of this can all be moved up, so it can make for a very low profile situation. It has to be placed somewhere and to minimize the square footage. The system also features a electric brake system, conduit box for all the electrical connections on the trailer, and it also features jacks in all 4 corners, which allow the unit to be brought up 2 to 3 inches for a more permanent deployment. It's a fully vented trailer, so if there is any leaks of hydrogen, it safely vents away and goes up. We have a single axle with the electric brakes. Every ZeroSet comes complete with a spare tire. We have 110 outlet volts, and the same on the other side as well. We also have a fill panel here. It's very simple, it's lockable, and inside the fill panel, we feature a common TN1 fill connection for filling hydrogen. We have an isolation valve. This isolates the fill connection to the cylinders. This is the closed position. This will be the open position. This pressure gauge allows us to see what pressure is in the cylinders. For filling the ZeroSet, any station will have, a hydrogen station will feature a 350 bar fill connection. It's simply placed onto the connection receptacle, chested, the isolation valve is opened, and then the filling can begin. When it comes time to shut down the ZeroSet, it's also simple. The first step is turning off the inverters to the 110 AC outlets. Secondly, we turn the power button off on the ZeroSet, and you'll go through a series of purges until it shuts itself down. That takes about 20 seconds for that to be completed. So once the system is shut down, you will hear no more noise. Then we want to turn the system to the off button. Turning this to the off position triggers a relay in the back that disconnects the batteries from the fuel cell and the inverter, preventing any drainage on the batteries. To learn more about the ZeroSet product line, call us at 415-856-0570 or come to our website at zeroset.info.